baby. My baby. My sugar in my tea. When did you say you are coming? 4:45. What is the time now? Okay, my baby now. See you later.
What?
Time don't go. Hello, baby. Where are you now? Huh? This is just 6:30. 6:30. I have not seen you. Huh? Oh, you are close. You are close. Okay. I can't wait to see you. Alright. Madam, good afternoon. Madam, you get a go. And you get strong thing. And if something like this, if I take my body to the church,
What?
bring that for me. Hello, my friend, are you not coming again? This is today. What? You cannot make it. Let me tell you something. You will never make it in life.